welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to talk to you guys about why your cakes burn. Yes, so if you're not a professional cake baker and like maybe you try to bake once in a while and your cakes always burn, this video was specially made for you. So take a look at this cake. There are two pans here and the top cake is not a chocolate cake, it is just burnt. So I'm going to give you reasons why. So guys, the first problem is the oven is too hot. So regardless of what kind of oven you have, if it is too hot, you're going to burn whatever it is you bake. So the solution to this is to buy an oven thermometer. It is very cheap and it's around maybe $2 or $3. So the second problem is you're using the wrong baking pans. Yes, baking pans do not bake equally. The darker pans bake faster than the lighter pans because they like absorb more heat. They don't bake equally. So if you're using a dark pan, you should know that your cake is going to bake faster than if you were using a lighter pan. So the trick is, whatever it is you're baking, keep an eye on it. If you're using a dark pan, remember it's going to bake faster, so you should keep an eye on it and watch. Look at this example. Like these pans at the same time baked like three different colors of brown cakes, if you understand me. So the next thing is you're using very cheap pans. What you pay for is what you get, basically. If you use very cheap pans, these pans have like the way they conduct heat is very different and they were not made for baking, so it is legit going to burn your baked goods. So the next thing is maybe like your baked good is too close to the source of heat. So let me explain this to you guys. If you're using a convection oven, it means there is a fan inside your oven that like blows the heat around the oven so that every part of the oven is hot equally. So if you're using a non-convection oven, you should know where your heat source is from. For example, this oven, the heat source is from the top, so the baked goods start burning from the top. Especially look at this one, the heat source is obviously from the top here, so the baked goods started burning from the top. So you should take note of where your baked goods is and try to put your pan in the middle of the oven. So the next thing is maybe your pan is too full. Yes, if your pan is too full, like you need more time for your baked goods to bake, which means it will start browning from the top and from the bottom. So when you're trying to bake a cake, you should make sure your pan is like two-thirds of the way full, not too full. Or maybe you were baking you just fell asleep and then you're going to have this baby right here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope I answered your questions and I hope this helps you. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next tutorial.